koutou, ko Phoebe here. I am Phoebe.
And more to the Winton School, ko Xavier. The scar Xavier.
Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for rapare, the 15th of June.
Okay, let's get to kupu or te wiki. This week's word is Panui, which is here for reading.
What is your favourite book to read during Panui? On to health and safety.
Hi, VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please remember to wear them.
Reminder to keep off the really muddy patches of grass at playtimes. It can be very messy if it's brought back into the classroom on your shoes.
Here are today's notices.
Remember that the library is still open at lunchtime. Has anyone filled up their pizza wheel yet?
Today is the first day of Inter-House Challenge. Can all Year 1 and 2 teams please go to the hall at the start of lunch with your lunch. It's going to be an amazing lunchtime challenge. We can't wait to see what it is.
A reminder that tomorrow is Sausage Sizzle Day. Get your money in the morning. Don't miss out.
There is no cuppa haka today for seniors. Repeating, there's no cuppa haka today for seniors.
It's junior chess on in the library today at lunch. Remember to head along at 12:45.
Now you've missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news. Ka kite pupu. See you tomorrow.
Stay sharp, Winton School.